All right, let's do the mass of reactants and products lab. Typically, I do this as a demonstration, so it's a lab that I just set up one setup and then just sort of do it so that everybody can get the data. So I have done procedure steps 1, 2, and 3, and so here we go. So the beaker is a little bit more than halfway, and I have a full Alka-Seltzer tablet. And here's the deal. We need to record the mass before we start this. And I'm noticing that it is 266.43 grams. And so right here in your data table, 266.43, please record that for the starting data. And so now all I'm going to do is take the Alka-Seltzer tablet and put it in there and watch that thing fizz away. So there we go. We see some fizzing happening, and if you are paying attention, we can see that the mass is already changing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause. We don't need to watch this thing fizz for about 3 or 4 minutes, so we will get the final data in a bit. But even so, as of right now, I can see that over on the right side, you can see that the arrows are not lining up on the balance. So we'll check back in a bit. All right, I have rebalanced things out. And now our final mass after finishing the fizz. Actually, you can actually see some fizzing still going on, but with the bulk of the fizzing done, the mass is now 265.82. 265, so down here, 265.82 is our final mass. Now I'm going to pause again, and I will get part B set up. So I will see you back in a bit. I think you may have seen me get it in, and then I think I paused. So you can see the Alka-Seltzer tablet is fizzing away. We'll be back in a few minutes, and we'll record the final mass. So see you in a bit. All right, we're all done. You can kind of see a little bit of fizzing happening, but in terms of the mass, oh my goodness. Just as one might have expected. The mass right now, after being all done, is 279.95 grams. So it would look like all that carbon dioxide that was fizzing out has stayed in the bag, and we still have it measured as our mass at 279.95. So there we go. Now you can complete the analysis questions for the lab, and there's really only 4 of them. The typical so I want to talk about question number 4. The typical Alka-Seltzer tablet has a mass of 3.25 grams. So look at this right here. Here is the mass that was lost as carbon dioxide fizzing out. So use that to figure out the percent carbon dioxide in the tablet of Alka-Seltzer. It's actually kind of an interesting number. All right. See you later. Complete the analysis questions. All right.